Assalamualaikum students, welcome to our channel Study Time. We are going to discuss biology and the topic of our discussion is feedback mechanism. Please do subscribe our channel and like our video and do share with others. Now let's discuss the definition of feedback mechanism. The detection of the change by the receptors and the signals by the control system to the effectors for a response, which means that the signals are sent by the receptors to the control system, which control the system of the body and then pass to the effectors that produce the response of our body. This will surely help you in your exams. This is an important short question. Now there are two types, negative and positive feedback. First of all, let's discuss negative feedback, the mechanism in which the effector's response is opposite to the change in the external environment. It means if the environment's temperature increases, the temperature of the body will decrease. This is an opposite change. Now let's discuss the examples of the negative feedback mechanism, which you can write in your exams for example, which will surely help you. Now let's discuss the first example of the negative feedback mechanism, which can be explained with the process of insulin production and its release. This production and release of insulin is the negative feedback. The second is the regulation of the blood calcium level, which occurs due to calcitonin and due to parathyroid glands. The third acts like a thermostat in the home, which maintains the temperature of the body. Now let's discuss the positive feedback mechanism. The positive feedback mechanism in which the effector's response is similar or towards the change in the external environment. It means the temperature of the body and the environment will be same. It can be different. Now let's discuss the examples of positive feedback mechanism. The first is the release of oxytocin from the posterior pituitary gland during labor contraction that occurs during childbirth. Now let's discuss the second example, which controls the self-perpetuating events and can be out of control and do not require continuous adjustment. It means that it can occur by its own self and does not depend on the body. The third example is that the positive feedback mechanism increases the deviation from an ideal normal value. It means it can increase from the normal value or can decrease from the normal value.